So here we will understand the ls command. Ls is simply means a list command. So we can start from the introduction. The ls command is a fundamental utility in the Unix like operating system, crucial for the file and directory management. In context of DevOps, where automation, continuous integration, and deployment are paramount, understanding how to use LS effectively can streamline the workflow and enhance productivity. That means, in the context of DevOps, we can use the LS command very frequently, and it's a useful command for making our work productivity and work like increase our productivity of the work. And it's like it stands for L list. Simply, we can say LS, that means list. It's used to display the list of the files and directories in the current working directory. For example, we are working in a working directory and we want to show that, like, we want to see the files in it, like how many files in it and the name of it, and we simply run the command ls. So it shows the list of the files that in it. So the second slide tells about the usage in DevOps. The ls command is commonly used in DevOps practice for various purposes, including directory navigation to navigate through directories and subdirectories, and to the list files and directories. Like it used to navigate through one directory to other directory or subdirectories, and list, like we can say, to show the to see the files and directory, like simply to list the files and directory. The second usage is file management, to manage files and directories such as creating, deleting, and moving them. So we can use to like manage the file, which includes creating a file, deleting a file, or moving from one directory to another. Directory simply means that folder. In DevOps, directory means folder, so it can use for that much also. Then monitoring, to monitor file system changes such as tracking change to file and directories. To monitoring, like this what we have frequently heard in GitHub or like in DevOps perfectly. So to monitor the file system changes, like how many changes in files that have happened, like tracking change to like what happened, like stage wise. So those are the usage of ls command. Troubleshooting, to troubleshoot the issue related to file system permission and ownership and access control. The fourth usage is to troubleshoot issues related to file system permission, ownership, and access control. We can also see or check the file system permission, like how many permission are given to that particular file. The permission includes read, write, and likewise, and the ownership of that who are the owner of that, and then the access control, like which person has the particular access of that particular thing or particular file, likewise. So there are many options for ls command. Particularly, you can pause the video and see all those command one and once and refer them. So like we can take a random example of hyphen a. As I discussed earlier, like I will discuss sorry after that. ls-a command uses to display all the hidden files from that particular directory, or we can say hidden directory also. So, and these are some other commands like hyphen l, hyphen d, hyphen f, hyphen h, hyphen I, hyphen n, hyphen r, hyphen s, hyphen t. You can pause the video and then see all the commands, like particularly what are the usage of these commands. And then move to the next file. We can say, we can take an example of 4 5 commands of ls, like ls-a display a detailed list of the files and directory in the current working directory. Like we are working in a directory and we want the file or directory to be listed very detailed, like when it created, when what are the stage of the particular file. So we can run the command ls-a l. Then ls-a, as we earlier discussed, it displays the all the hidden files and directories. ls-d, then star and then slash display only directory in the current working directory. Like this command will displays the directory, that only directory in the working directory. Like we are working in a particular one particular directory and we want to show that particular directory is file, then we can run this command. Then hyphen f appends a slash to directory names. Okay, so move to the next command. Hyphen h displays the file sizes in human readable form. Like there are many sizes that we can't read, we have to convert in one form to another. So for that we can use the hyphen h command to human readable form. So here when we run the ls command, it will show the list of the whole four files which name differently. And then there is one another command ls-a, which will source all the files, like all the hidden files also.